May nag-request dito ng ano eh. So I did search it, but we don't have like a yeah, ito. Si Sai Kyun. Sai Kyun, sabi niya, hello po. SB19 funny moments po sana, salamat. SB19 funny moments, no? So I did try to search that, no? I did try to search SB19 funny moments. We have a lot. We have a lot of different videos in here. But you know what? Since we don't have a very specific video, we're gonna watch the first one. This one. I am sorry, what? Anong meron dito?
Pamay na lang po, Mind Black Stripes. Mind Black Stripes. Meron po tayong...
Oh, totoo ba? O baka ano lang yun? Baka tawag dito, gripo.
Pamay na lang po, Mind Black Stripes. Mind Black Stripes. Meron po tayong code dyan na Stel Kalakal to get 50% off. Mamaya.
Totoo ba? Baka
So, ano pa mga tanong? Narinig namin yung ihi ni Justin. Oh, lakas!
That confirms it. That's confirmed.
Alam ko din ako tawa ni Stel, no? Ano?
Kinurot eh. Nakulit nga ni, ni Ken tumawa pag yung tawang-tawa siya, no? Alam, Joker eh. Grabe yung tawa dun ah. Yung tawa niya dun, may halong gigil eh.
Oy, lumaba.
Isang ano, get out.
Get out.
Ano? Pablo slipping, hitting his head and then pretending like nothing happened. Okay. Gusto mo yung pagdulas niya, umiga na lang siya, no? Hindi na siya nag-respond. Shit. Sleep na, no? Sleep na. Hindi na gumalaw. Nothing happens. What? Drunk still in Justin deleted vlog? Deleted vlog, man? Deleted vlog?
It's like communicating.
Yeah, it's just
Like
like
for the world domination.
shut up. I think James is very trustable.
Trustable. James is very trustable. Okay.
Yeah.
The most iconic dance challenge.
3, 2, 1.
Ah, we already watched this. Hey, 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 hey. Alam mo lang hindi niya gusto yung nangyari.
Ano ka kadalas mag-ano?
We actually watched this already, though. Itong video na tsura ni Pablo. Huh? Siguro ako sa tanong mong yan?
kadalas mag-ano? Uminom ng tubig.
Kasi marami pong madalas kong inaano eh. Maglinis ng bahay, maghugas. Madalas ako maglaba. Pero uminom ng tubig, everyday po.
Ito talaga si Witty.
Ilan araw sa araw? Ilang araw sa ilang day?
Kadalasan kasi every night ako talaga, every night ko tinotodo eh. Every night ko tinotodo, yung pag-inom ng water.
Hanggang madaling araw?
Oo, kasi pag bago ka matulog, dapat hydrated ka eh. So sa gabi, tinotodo ko talaga. Mag-inom ng water. Ganito pa nga yung baso ko eh.
Minsan sabay tayo.
Minsan nga 2 kamay po gamit ko eh. Kasi malaki po yung baso ko, ganun.
Are you ready for the descent into heaven? Extra, no? Extra! Nakakarap sila anime sa Lugia, no? Oh, she. I quit life. I quit life.
Pablo, okay lang? Okay ka naman? Okay naman. Saktan ka dun? Alam ko. It's okay. You don't need to cry. Ganyan talaga si Julie tsaka si Stel. Sinasabi ko yun, yung 2 coach na yan, kahit na magsalita si Jules, okay lang yan. This is what I feel every day. Oh, it's okay.
So naging ano pala si no? Naging judge? Sa X Factor? Si Pablo? Akala ko si ano lang.
Pero it's okay. Uy, talaga umiiyak.
Seryoso.
Pasko na! Pasko na! Tayo na magkaisa! Pasko na!
Extra ulit ito si no, Pablo.
1, 2, 3! 1, 6, 7, boom! Tarat, tarat!
Hey!
Tarat, tarat! Boom, boom, boom! Boom, tarat, tarat! Boom, tarat, tarat!
Ayun, tiyataag kong binigay yung 110%.
Wait lang.
Ito ng mama.
Ken, can you give me a boom, stack, boom, boom?
Oh, taka, lapit na itsura ni Candita, no?
5, 6, 7, 8, boom, stack, boom, boom. Eh.
Hey, Pablo, can you give me a pak pak boom boom pak boom boom pak pak boom boom pak boom boom boom
6, 7, 8, pak, pak, boom, boom, pak, boom, boom, boom. Justin, give me a pagkagong pak, pak, brrrr, boom. 5, 6, 7, 8, pagkagong pak, pak, brrrr, boom.
Oh, Josh, can you
Gawa niya, no?
give me a hui hui kalak 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 boom 5, 6, 7, 8 hui hui kalak 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 boom
Stel, can you give me isa pa.
Josh, can you please ayusin mo?
Stel, can you give me a...
Ano daw?
Hindi na akong salita.
Ano daw?
Stel, can you give me a... Ow! Ow! Bug, bug, ching! Okay, 6, 7, 8. Ow! Bug, bug, ching!
Hey! The Buddha's version, no? The Buddha's version.